undeclared emergency in the country, sir. The Chief Minister of Delhi, his office has been raided. What is going on, sir, in this country? Sir, the leader of the House. Sir,
I'll just clarify.
Sir, I would ask the leader of the House, sir, to clarify.
But the notice is given by.
Sir,
notice is given by Mr. Nadimul Haq, not by you.
Mr. Haq is here. You please.
Not by you.
No, he's from my party. Give him a chance to.
No.
Clarify, sir.
No.
The Chief
No,
Minister
listen.
of Delhi, his office.
Derek.
We are hearing different stories.
Derek, you listen. It is not a party issue. Who gave notice?
Yes,
He
sir.
can raise it, not you.
So we get
Zero.
Sir, I have no objection to Mr. Derek O'Brien raising it. I will just clarify because the facts must become clear.
Sir, this is not a party issue. This is about the country and the federal structure of this country. Of course it's not a party issue, sir. Obviously it's a party issue. Sir, Mr. Nadimul Haq gave the notice in the morning, 11 o'clock. This is beyond the party issue.
Sir, may I?
This is a federal issue, sir. This is a democratically elected chief minister.
So what do you want? What can we do?
Sorry?
We cannot do anything.
Nothing to do.
What can we do? It is CBI.
Sir, what the government say?
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, may I?
Yeah.
This is undeclared emergency, sir.
Okay. What do you want? What do you want?
I
Discussion.
take notice.
What do you want?
I have no difficulty. I just clarify.
Leader of the House will clarify.
What do you want?
Should not be seen supporting.
Derek O'Brien, what do you want? Discussion. No. LOP is ready. LOP is ready to answer you. Derek O'Brien, Mr. Derek.
May I just clarify?
Mr. Derek, leader is ready to answer you. What do you want? You,
Sir,
see, Mr. Derek, he is ready to reply. He is ready to reply to you. Listen.
sir, may I just clarify?
Now,
Mr.
leader of the
Derek
House,
O'Brien,
leader of the House responding to Derek O'Brien.
sir, Mr. Derek O'Brien has raised this issue. Yes, factually, let me clarify.
You listen to this. Derek, he is replying to you. Listen to you. Leader of the House, Finance Minister is replying to your point. Yes, you speak.
Sir, factually, let me clarify that Mr. Derek O'Brien has not been correctly informed. The Chief Minister of Delhi, his office has not been raided. The raid has nothing to do with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. The raid has nothing to do with the tenure of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as the Chief Minister of Delhi. There is a corruption case, complaint with the CBI against one officer in the Delhi government. That officer is attached to the office of the Chief Minister. 14 different places have been searched by the CBI. It is that officer who has been searched, and the search is in relation to a case for an alleged offence committed in his capacity before he joined the office of Mr. Kejriwal. The raid has nothing to do with Mr. Kejriwal's office or his tenure, and therefore Mr. Derek O'Brien, before he raises this issue, should factually clarify and factually confirm the correctness of the facts.
It is no raid on Chief Minister's office.
Corruption is not an issue of federalism.
Here, Finance Minister has replied to your allegation.
CBI is under the Prime Minister. The CBI is under the Prime Minister.
Derek, he says CBI has not raided Chief Minister office. It is only an officer that he has said.
Every day. Better avoid the situation. Why agree? Why agree since, sir? Why agree since? If they don't want the house, then it not function.
See, Khan, what do you want? What do you want? You tell me. What is your problem? What do you want? Why do you shout here? What is your demand? I am asking the shouting member, what is your demand? Very unfortunate. What is your demand? No, please, tell me. No, Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan. No, tell me what is your demand. I am ready to listen to you. Tell me what is your demand. This obstructionism is very bad, very unfortunate. This is anti-democratic action. I do not approve of it. Anti-democratic action. Why do you raise slogans, shout slogans without any rationale? Tell me what do you want? House is adjourned up to 12:00 hours.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.